वेलकम बैक टू सूजी का किचन। आज हम बनाएंगे क्विक एंड इजी बाथ केक की रेसिपी। दिस इज़ अ क्रिसमस केक विच इज़ अ बाथ केक दैट आई एम मेकिंग. It is one of the most delicious recipes in cake which is my personal favorite. These are the ingredients that you need. 1 grated coconut, 1 whole grated coconut is what I have taken. Freshly grated coconut. 4 eggs. Eggs should be on the room temperature. They shouldn't be removed from the fridge. 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. 1 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 pinch salt. 200 grams of butter. You can take unsalted butter or salted butter, that's okay. 1 tablespoon of elaichi powder. The butter should be on room temperature. 1.5 cup of rava or semolina. Now grind the grated coconut in the mixer. I'm putting everything in a grinder. The entire freshly grated coconut, so that it becomes like a paste, as you see. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar in this grinder, and I'm going to grind this together as well. Now as you have grinded the mixture, remove the sugar and the coconut mixture in a bowl. Add 1.5 cup of rava. Mix all of this very well. Mix all the ingredients very well. Use your hand because it will help you to mix all the ingredients very well. The rava, the coconut. Now it's time to add 200 grams of butter, which was on the room temperature. Whatever we add in baking is always going to be in room temperature. Add 4 eggs. This was also on the room temperature. 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. 1 tablespoon elaichi powder. 1 pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now I'm going to mix all of these ingredients with my hand very well. I want it to be like a nice paste. All of this is going to add a lot of flavor, so it's very important that you mix the elaichi powder, the baking powder all over the entire batter. So as you see, this is how the batter would look. It's going to be very thick and wet. As you see, the batter is going to be looking like granules. That's exactly how the cake batter looks. We can keep it minimum for half an hour aside, or you can keep it for 1 day. If you're keeping it for 1 day, then you need to refrigerate it. At one side I've taken a greased tin with butter and I'm adding the batter. I had kept the cake batter for 4 hours and I had not refrigerated it since the weather was cool. However, it depends on where do you stay and what the weather is for baking. As you see, I had preheated the oven for 10 minutes on 180 degrees. Now I have kept the oven for 180 degrees and the cake to bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it's going to be all ready. As you see, the cake is already ready to serve. And this is a very delicious delicacy of Goans, which I really love and enjoy eating the entire Christmas season. The crust of the cake is very crunchy, and the between of the cake is very nice and soft. So you really enjoy this with a cup of tea or coffee. And you should try this cake for your friends and family, and do let me know when you try this cake in the comment section. You can see the cake is very well cooked. So it's ready to serve. So enjoy the delicacy. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the love. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.